my daughter, my Dukhtar. Oh my daughter, my Dukhtar. I pray you be happy forever and ever, forever and ever. You the radiance of my eyes and the pleasure of my heart. Sorrow fades when you smile. Life brightens when you near. Oh my daughter, my Dukhtar. Oh my daughter, my Dukhtar. I pray you be happy forever and ever, forever and ever. I am blessed to have you in my life, oh dear. May you be bestowed with mercy of Creator, and you be granted a noble character. Oh my daughter, my Dukhtar. Oh my daughter, my Dukhtar. I pray you be happy forever and ever, forever and ever. If I lead you better, paradise will be easy to enter. I'll protect you from evil till my last breath, oh dear. I pray I achieve all by the will of Creator. Oh my daughter, my Dukhtar. Oh my daughter, my Dukhtar. I pray you be happy forever and ever, 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 forever.